Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Tech Reviews. On this channel we look at tech, mobile accessories, and gadgets. I want to get into more home automation, smart switches. So I picked up two from Leelbox. There's two in here, and basically you plug these in, you pair them up to your home Wi-Fi. So we're going to dive into the contents of the box here, and I'm going to show you guys how to pair it up and sync up to the app and how everything works here with the Leelbox Wi-Fi socket. So pretty simple here. On the side here it gives you information about what it controls, and on the back here information about the socket information. Pretty simple packaging, and that's it. So let's go ahead and get into this. Simple instructions here, we'll go through that. It probably gives you information about the app, and here are the two sockets right here. This button right here is used for pairing up, and there's a USB port here, and that's it. So let's get into some of the instructions here. We need to download an app here. You can see here it's called Smart Life. I'm currently using the OnePlus 5T. Totally awesome phone. I recommend you check out my reviews and whatnot. So this is the app right here. You want to get Smart Life-Smart Living. Go ahead and install that. We're gonna go ahead and do that, and we'll move on to the next step. You can see here I've installed and I have the Smart Life app here, so we'll go ahead and get into it and either log in or register. And the registration process here will take you through using your phone number. So I'm gonna go ahead and register using my phone number. The registration process was very simple. Basically a number was texted to me. I inputted that number, then I made a password, and it took me to this screen here. So from here we can add a device and add on our smart switches. So I can say add a device. So for demonstration purposes here, I'm going to be using my power cube right here with one of the switches here. So this is plugged in. If you guys want to learn about the power cube, the link is up here. So let's go ahead and plug this in. And you can see there's a red blinking light right there on the Leelbox. So let's go ahead and do a scan. So you can either do a scan as I did here, or you can pick what kind of switch it is that's using the same app here. So you can see all the different types of products that are on here. So this is obviously going to be a electrical outlet. So I'm going to go electrical outlet. I'm going to confirm yes, that light is indeed blinking here. And we're going to confirm, and it's going to ask for my Wi-Fi password. Once you put your Wi-Fi password in, it's going to start trying to connect, and so we'll go through this process right here. It says make sure your phone and device are as close as possible to the router as possible. Searching for device. So I'm actually using a mesh network here in the house, so we'll see what happens here. Alright, smart plug added successfully. We'll say done. And just like that, we are connected. So I'm going to go get a lamp here, and we're going to plug into the switch here, and we're going to try turning it on or off. So you can see here I'm back inside the app. With the app here now I can turn this lamp, this lava lamp that I actually got for Christmas, on or off. So I can hit the switch and it turns on. So I don't know if you guys can hear that click. Listen again. That's the switch turning on or off. So if we take a closer look at the switch here, so currently we're on, blue light, off, that little light turns red, on, off, okay? So the next step from here will be to pair up this app with my Google Home and my Google Home Mini. I'll show you guys that in a future video here, but hopefully this has been helpful to you. Very simple to set up the Leelbox smart switches there. Go ahead and pick up a couple for yourself. If you guys like the content here, think about leaving a thumbs up. It would be appreciated. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well. It's right up here, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Cheers.